Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Egg Bhurji. It's an Indian spicy scrambled egg dish that's both flavorful and nutritious. Let's get it. I'm going to start off with a hot pan and pour in some vegetable oil. Once that heats up, I'm going to add in our mustard seeds, some cumin, some curry leaves. To this, I'm going to add in our onions, a little bit of ginger paste, and just give that a quick stir and a pinch of salt to help the onions cook through. Once our onions start to cook through and turn translucent, it's now time to add in our spices. I'm going to start off with some turmeric, a little bit of coriander powder, some red chili powder, garam masala, and finally some salt and black pepper. And give that a good stir. And to bring this all together, I'm going to crack in some eggs and give that a good whisk. You can add some salt in here to help break up the yolk from the egg whites. Scrambling this up beforehand rather than directly putting it into the pan ensures two things. One, that your egg scramble is evenly combined, and two, that your eggs are fluffy, as this technique will incorporate more air into your eggs. If you want the exact recipe, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make Egg Bhurji at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes to make at home. As the eggs cook, I'm going to scramble and break it up, otherwise it'll just turn into an omelet. That looks good. And so finally, I'm just going to garnish this off with some cilantro. And there you have it, folks. Indian scrambled eggs or Egg Bhurji.